Factor formulae.
Factor formula. We'll now learn the factor formula here. Sine plus sine, 2 sine cos. Sine minus sine, 2 sine cos. Cos plus cos, 2 cos cos. Cos minus 2 sine sine. Excellent. We will now repeat the cheer. Factor formula. Sine plus sine, 2 sine cos. Sine minus sine, 2 sine cos. Cos plus cos, 2 cos cos. Cos minus 2 sine sine. Excellent. I hope you have learned it and do it in one breath. Now let's relate the angles on the left and on the right. On the left, you have two different angles, A and B. And when you see the plus sign, you will add both angles together first, divide by 2, then revert to A minus B, divide by 2. Notice that the angles on the left are different. Now, what about if there's a minus sign on the left? You will start with subtracting A and B, divide by 2, and then you revert to a plus. A plus B, divide by 2. Now, the same patterns applies to cosine. You have cosine A adding to cosine B. So since there's a plus, you will add both angles together, divide by 2, and then you will rotate to a negative sign, A minus B, divide by 2. Yep, the same for the last formula. If there's a minus, so you start with minus and you revert it to a plus. So I hope you can see the relationship between the angles. Now, if you were to notice, on the left-hand side, the signs are basically plus and minus. You have the addition or the subtraction of two sine functions and two cos functions. But on the right-hand side, you can see the product of the sine, cosine, or cosine, cosine, sine, sine functions. So basically, on the right-hand side, you will see multiplication signs. And that's why this formula is known as the factor formula. In conclusion, I hope you understand the use of this formula mainly is to change plus minus signs into the product of trigo terms on the right-hand side. So that is the feature of the factor formula. Hope you have enjoyed the factor formula here.